these things. So how I would define digital phenotyping within our project, or within the projects I work on, would be, leveraging any digital data that you can collect through a smartphone to make inferences about mood or behavior, to try and improve aspects of clinical care. So diagnosis, symptom monitoring, predicting treatment outcome, predicting relapse, things like that.
I'm wondering about what kinds of data can you use for phenotyping?
So the two broad categories of data are things we call active data and passive data. So passive data are things that are collected in the background on your phone, without any kind of input. So think about your global positioning system, the GPS, the way that you move your phone and the angles, the accelerometer and gyroscope. So these things are just kind of being collected in the background. The other types of data are active data, so things that require manual input. So you can think, if you ask someone to complete a typing task, ask them to give a voice sample. Maybe if you work in psych research and you use ecological momentary assessment, or EMA data, where you ask someone to complete, miniature versions of questionnaires throughout the day to give a more granular kind of measurement of mental health. All these things would be characterized as active data. So collectively, digital phenotyping, we use the active data and the passive data. And then from these data, we do a process called feature engineering, which is where you try and develop features that you can map onto specific mental health symptoms.